Ramogi machiegni kendo wadhi nyime koda weche manyien kama riwruok mar lakteche KMPDU oseyo chik mane okal gi sirkal ewi okumba mar thieth ma owinjore otigodo e pacho ka. KMPDU lero ni chikno dhi keto jotich kamarach kaluwore gi pek mar ngima e kindeni. Jakom mar KMPDU Adi Mwachi yango ni dwaro ewi paro makamano mane gichwalo ne komiti mar thieth e od bura ma pacho ka ne obuon ma ok odew.
You cannot promise universal health care when almost 3 million Kenyans will be going to private hospitals, will be going to faith-based hospitals, or will be going to other public hospitals, and they have to sell their properties to access the care. It must come out very clearly that these civil servants with their dependents must be given a comprehensive cover, and if that is not possible, then their medical allowance must be returned forthwith. And that's the demand we are giving to government on that. And we are not just giving that demand because we are going to take also legal address over that. Because with the Social Health Insurance Act as it is, it breaches the constitutional requirement at Article 43 and also the collective bargaining agreements of the union and the employer.
Wadhi county Migori kama romo mar jokanyo